So, hi, hello, good morning. Welcome back again to the English literature class.
Good morning. Good
Okay,
morning, ma'am.
hope so. You all
How
are
are
doing
you, ma'am?
well. I am fine. I am doing good. What about you all? How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Okay, okay. How did you spend your weekend? Yesterday was Sunday. How did you spend? Did you study and spend? Did you visit somewhere? Visiting is almost nil, right? Nowhere we visit these days.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how did you spend your weekend? Come on, put your hand up, please. Don't talk together. How did you spend your weekend? Yesterday was Sunday. Was there any special
I
about?
play. I play chess.
Okay, Felix
Excuse me,
played.
ma'am.
Yeah, tell me what is that?
Ma'am, I studied for some times and I played outside.
Okay, okay. So this all we
I
all
play
spend
chess,
our
ma'am.
weekend in different way, right? So here I'm going to start with the class. So please mute your device. Mute your device and please don't talk in between. Once the lesson is over, I will ask you if you have any doubts, you can clarify. Is that okay? Come on, just show me a thumbs up and give me a smile. Is it okay? Felix, you can smile,
Yes,
Felix.
ma'am.
Yes, everyone can smile. Everyone has got a beautiful smile. Okay, Prayag is giving me extra smile. Okay, Prayag. Okay, so what did we learn in the last class? We were discussing about the lesson.
Wiser.
Little girls
Wiser.
are wise.
Why? Wiser.
Little girls are wiser. By. Do you remember author of this lesson? Don't turn the page.
Leo Tolstoy.
Very good. Leo Tolstoy.
Tolstoy.
Leo Tolstoy, right? Who is the author? Leo Tolstoy.
Tolstoy.
Characters are Achille
Okay.
Malasha.
Okay. So what did we learn in the last class? We learned that Malasha splashed. Malasha put her foot very hard in the water, and what happened to the water? Water splashed on Akulya's dress, and Akulya's dress has become dirty.
Dirty, yes, ma'am.
Vaiga, my dear, please mute your device. Okay. And please don't talk and just listen to me first. So what happened to Akulya's dress? Akulya's dress has become dirty. Her sleeves are dirty. Her nose, her face, everything is dirty. So then Akulya's mother asked Akulya, "You naughty, dirty girl, what have you been doing?" So what did Akulya do? What was Akulya's reply? Akulya, without thinking, what did she say? She pointed out at Malasha and she told, Malasha did it purposefully, right? Malasha did it on purpose. Knowingly, she has dirtied my dress. At this, Akulya's mother grabbed Malasha and struck her on the back of her neck. So when Akulya's mother heard this, what happened to Akulya's mother? She was very angry. What did she do? She caught whom? Malasha, and she gave one at the back of her neck. She hit her. Malasha began to howl so that she could be heard all down the street. Her mother came out. So when she got a beat from Akulya's mother, what happened to Malasha? Malasha started to howl. Malasha started crying on the top of her sound. You might have seen these small children especially doing this. Once they get a beat, a small beat, what do? They
Yes, ma'am.
cry on the
They
top
howl.
of their sound.
Top level of the sound.
Okay, so what did she do? What did she do? She hit her and Malasha started crying. And where did her cry reach? Cry reached down the street. Okay, cry reached down the street where her house was and her mother came out. What are you beating my girl for? She said and began scolding her neighbor. Do you think that Malasha's mother will keep quiet? No, right? So she didn't keep quiet. She asked Akulya's mother, "What are you beating my girl for?" She started scolding her neighbor. Who is scolding whom now? Put your hand up if you know the answer. Just put your hand up. Who is scolding whom? Okay, Ahil, come on, quickly give me the answer. Who is scolding whom, Ahil, here?
Malasha's mother is scolding as Akulya's mother.
Yeah, okay, very good. Malasha's mother is scolding Akulya's mother. One word led to another and they had an angry quarrel. Actually, nobody was trying to understand what was the reason. Means what is actually issue? Nobody was interested to know. One said something, the other one said something. So one word, another word. So it went on like that, and it became a big quarrel, angry quarrel. Angry quarrel means what? A very furiously they were fighting with each other. The men came out and a crowd collected in the street. The men also came out from their houses. Maybe their fathers also came out and everybody started fighting. Everyone was shouting, but no one was listening. So each one was shouting and fighting, but no one was ready to listen. Actually, no one was interested to know what was the actual problem. Now, have you come across these kind of situation in life where you have seen these ladies fighting with each other, especially in the some kind of areas? All we see people fighting at each other, beating and hitting. Is anyone, have you seen, have you witnessed a fight like this? No one? No one? No one. Okay. At least in the movies you might have seen. Have you seen in the movies?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
in the movies, especially we see where these no people fight with each
Ma'am,
other.
in the news, ma'am.
Okay. So they all went on quarreling till one gave another a push and the affair very nearly came to blows. What is the meaning? Meaning of very nearly came to blows means nearly started hitting each other. No one was ready to listen. They all went on quarreling and slowly, gradually they started hitting each other. It was then the Akulya's grandmother, stepping in amongst them, tried to calm them. So what did Akulya's grandmother do? Akulya's mother, slowly she entered the crowd and she told them, just keep quiet. This is not the way you behave. She tried to calm the situation. What do you think? Did they listen to her? Yes or no?
No.
Did the crowd listen to Akulya's grandmother?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, no, no. They didn't listen to her. Okay. Then, what are you thinking of, friends? Is it right to behave like this? On a day like this, too? Why did the grandmother say this? Is it right to behave like this? And on the day like this, too, what is the speciality of that day? What was the speciality of that day? It was an Easter day.
Easter, ma'am.
Okay, it was an Easter day. So she says it is a day, it is a time for rejoicing and not for such foolishness as this. So, what did grandmother say? This is the day when we rejoice, when we wish each other, when we enjoy ourselves, when we rejoice and not spend our time on this kind of fight or foolishness. But they would not listen to the old woman and nearly knocked her off her feet. But no one was ready to listen to the old woman. No one was ready to listen to Akulya's grandmother. You just listen to whatever I am saying. Okay, these dialogues, who said to whom, you should be very careful. Now I just time sometime before I read out a dialogue, right? What are you thinking? Is it the right way to behave like this, right? So who was the speaker here? Identify the speaker. Once it is given, you have to write it is said by Akulya's
Abdullah's
grandmother.
grandmother.
Okay, okay. So they did not listen to the old woman. I nearly knocked her off her feet. Means what? They did not listen to her. They just, uh, pushed her aside. Pushed her aside means not pushing her aside. They did not pay attention to the words of the old woman. They did not give any value to her words. And she would not have been able to quiet the crowd. What is the meaning of quiet the crowd? Quiet the crowd means to pacify the crowd, to get the crowd to calm down and be peaceful. So what does it mean? What does it mean? Akulya's grandmother was a failure. How? She was not able to pacify. She was not able to bring down the fight among the crowd. Right? So she was a failure. She
Yes,
was
ma'am.
not successful in bringing about peace. She would not have been able to quiet the crowd if it had not been for Akulya and Malasha themselves. So grandmother thought, grandmother was a failure, right? So what did grandmother think there? She thought only Akulya and Malasha can solve the problem. Okay, Prayag, Prayag, my dear, what are you busy writing? And just tell me what was the problem here? What was the crowd busy with, Prayag? Prayag, you have to unmute. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Can you hear me?
ma'am, what did you say?
Yeah. What was the actual problem here, Prayag? What was the situation here now?
Fight.
You just give me the answer in full sentence. Who was fighting with whom?
Mm,
Oh, to answer my question here.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Daniel, tell me. What is it, Daniel?
ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, Akulya's mother and Malasha's mother was fighting each other.
Fighting with each other. Only two of them were there? No, there was a big crowd. Malasha's mother came, then Akulya's mother came, then men also came. Maybe their father also came, right? Malasha's father, Akulya's father, then their relatives. So each one was fighting. Each one was fighting, and within short time there was a big crowd who was fighting with each other. Actually, they were not knowing what is the reason, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, was grandmother able to pacify the situation? Was grandmother able to bring about peace and calm the situation? Yes or no?
No.
Was not able to bring about peace or calm the situation. Here, what did she think? What did she think? She thought that only Malasha and Akulya can solve the situation, right? Can solve the problem. What is the problem? The fighting. Okay. While the adults were arguing, Akulya had wiped the mud off her frock and gone back to the puddle. So just imagine these girls now. You know, there are so many people fighting with each other for these girls. And what Akulya did, meantime, she just cleaned her dress, she cleaned her sleeves, she cleaned her face, and she went back very coolly. She went back to the same puddle where Malasha had dirtied her dress. She took a stone and began scraping away at the earth in front of the puddle. So what did she do? She took a stone and she started scraping. Scraping means what? She started removing the mud. Scraping, right? If you have seen small children doing, suppose if there is stagnant water, what do? With the hand, they just scrape like this. Just remove the mud. Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes you might have seen. Sometimes you might have done also. Have you not done?
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
Okay.
Uncountable.
Oh, so many times. It means uncountable. It means that he has done it many times. That's what he wants to say. Okay, come on, mute your device and listen to me. So this girl, she took a small stone and she started scraping the earth. Why? Where did she start scraping the earth? In front of the puddle. Why did she do this? She wanted to make a channel. What is the meaning of channel? Channel means a narrow passage for water to flow.
Blow away.
Flow along. Okay, what is the meaning of channel? Channel means what? It is a narrow passage for the water to flow. You might have seen your father or your neighbors doing this, especially during the rainy season. Suppose if the water is stagnant in front of their house, what do? They just take a spade. They don't do with the stone. There is an instrument called spade. They just spade it
Yes, ma'am.
and they make a channel, right? Especially this time, because it is mosquito time, we have to take care of all the kinds of virus.
Yes, ma'am.
So here also, what did the girls do? Girls took the girl, not girls, the girl took a stone and she started scraping. She started removing the mud. Why? Because she wanted to make a channel, a narrow passage. For what? For the water to flow. She wanted to make a channel through which the water could run out into the street. So where did she make the channel? Where there was a puddle, where there was a small pool. She started scraping the earth. She made a channel. She wanted the water to reach to the street where the people were fighting, where there was a big crowd. Soon Malasha joined her and helped her dig the channel with a small wooden stick. Did Malasha keep quiet there? Did Malasha keep quiet? Okay. Did Malasha did she stand there watching Akulya doing that? No. Immediately, what did Malasha do? Malasha took a small wooden stick and she also started helping. She also started helping Akulya. Soon Malasha joined her and helped her dig the channel with a small wooden stick. She took a small wooden stick. She also started helping her. Just as the crowd began to fight again. Again means what? They never stopped. Means maybe in between it had come down. Again they started fighting. The water from the little girl's channel ran down into the street towards the very place where where the old woman was trying to pacify the crowd. So where did the water reach? These sentences, just listen once more, look into your book. Just as the crowd began to fight again, the water from the little girl's channel ran down into the street towards the very place where the old woman was trying to pacify the crowd. Where did the water reach now? Water reached onto the street where the old woman was trying to calm down the situation. The girls followed it, one running on each side of the little stream. So what did these girls do? Naughty girls. The water started flowing. They also started running along with the water. One on the either side of the narrow passage, they started running. Why were they running? Catch it, Malasha, catch it, shouted Akulya, while Malasha could not speak for laughing. So what happened to the stick which Malasha had? It fell into the narrow passage, the channel, and the stick also started flowing along with the water. So these girls were actually running to get back the stick. So what did Akulya do? Akulya was shouting, Malasha, take it, catch it. So what did Malasha do? Malasha was not even able to respond. Why? Because Malasha was running, and along with running she was doing another action. What was that? She was laughing. She was running and laughing. The little girls ran in great delight. What is the meaning of delight? Delight means what? Happily, in happiness. So with lot of happiness, with lot of joy, they were running, trying to catch hold of the stick that was floating down the stream. Have you not played with a paper boat? You might have made a paper boat.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday I
played. Yesterday. There is somebody who played yesterday. So it was very fun. No, Ananda? Ananda, my dear, sit straight. Not good for eyes if you look at the screen with, so nearby. Not good for eyes. Okay. So they ran into the group of grown-ups, and the old woman, seeing them, said to the crowd. So these girls were unaware of the situation. What did they do? They ran into the crowd. Looking at them, the old woman said to the crowd, what did she say? She said, are you not ashamed of yourselves? So what did old woman say? Looking at these girls enjoying themselves, playing, laughing with each other, she told, are you not ashamed of yourselves to go on fighting on account of these lassies? These lassies. Lassies means what? It is an old-fashioned word which is used for young women or girls, right? What is the meaning of lassies, Siana? Lassies means it is an old-fashioned word which is used to refer young women and girls. Chris, so what did the old woman ask the crowd? Old woman asked the crowd, are you not ashamed of yourselves for fighting for these girls? Look at these girls. They have forgotten everything. They have become friends again. When they themselves have forgotten all about it and are playing happily together. So grandmother asked a question to the crowd. What did she ask? Look at these girls. They have forgotten everything. They are playing. They are enjoying with each other. Are you not ashamed to fight for them? Dear little souls, they are wiser than you. So here, what did grandmother say? Grandmother told the crowd that the girls are wiser than you. Right? So at last, who solved the situation? Who solved the situation? Who brought out the solution for the problem? It was Akulya and Malasha. They
Malasha.
solved the problem.
Problem.
The men and women. Now, what happened to the men and women when they saw these girls laughing and enjoying? What did the men and women do? Men and women were ashamed of themselves. They felt ashamed. Actually, they fought for the reason, for a silly reason, right? For a silly reason, such a big crowd was gathered and they were fighting. So at last, what happened to them? They were ashamed. Then, laughing at themselves, they went back to their own homes. So what did the men and women do? They were laughing at themselves. Oh, why did I do like this? What was the need for creating such a big situation there? So they were laughing at themselves and they went back to their homes. So in this way, they celebrated their Easter. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, did you understand the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything that you would like to ask or you would like to share?
No, ma'am. Very interesting story, ma'am.
Very interesting story, and you know okay, before that, do you have anything to ask? Is there any
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
Ma'am, what is
No,
the
ma'am.
meaning of howl?
Howling means what? Have you not seen a dog howling there? Who knows how to show me the action of howl? You have seen even the small children crying on the top of their sound with by making different kinds of sounds. So that is howling, right? Any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so here we stop. Here we stop. You just tell me, just think for a while and tell me what is that one important lesson that we learn from this, from these girls, Akulya
Ma'am,
and
do not
Malasha. Just
fight.
put your hand up. Just put your hand up.
Don't fight for a small thing.
Just put your hand up, my dear children. You just follow these manners. Very important. Okay. So Pranava, tell me Pranava. What do you want to say, Pranava? Pranava, can you hear me?
Don't fight for a small.
Okay, don't fight over silly issues, silly matters. Only one? Okay, Ahil has got something to say. Tell me, Ahil, what is that?
Ma'am,
Yeah?
the same thing also. Don't fight for silly things.
Okay, okay. Now you are giving me this moral. What about you at home? Do you fight for silly reasons? You just ask this question to yourself.
I have.
To yourself. Okay, Fia wants to say something. What is that, Fia?
Ma'am, I told when you asked the question like that, I told them.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, don't make small problems to big problem.
Okay, don't create such a big situation. Don't allow the small problems and don't allow the small problems to become it so big. This is a very important lesson that we learn for our life, right? Not for the time being. This is a very important listen. Don't talk when I'm talking. This is a very important lesson, very important moral that we learn for our life. No, Sienna, what is that? Don't allow silly fights to become big. Don't spoil the situation. Don't create a situation where it becomes very worst. So this you should carry with you throughout your life. Not only for this lesson, not only for 6th standard, right? Right? This is a great thing. Okay, this is a great thing. Have you not seen some people, they move away from the situation. They don't create any situation. Suppose if a fight breaks out between friends or even at home, sometimes what happens, someone will be very cool and moves away from the situation. So here we have to learn this moral and keep it with us throughout our life. Don't fight unnecessarily. Yes.
Ma'am, also we should obey others.
Yeah, we should obey elders. Here, when Akulya's grandmother was trying to calm down the situation, no one paid attention to her. No one gave value. Right, Aromal? Right. Any other doubts? Do you
No,
have
ma'am.
any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
I have
Okay.
another moral.
Ma'am, Ahil.
Yeah. What is that? What is that?
Don't get small problems get to your head.
Just repeat, my dear Sahil. Just repeat. Just
Ma'am,
repeat.
don't let small problems get to your head and make a big problem.
Okay, okay. Okay, so here I stop. Quickly we go to the question answers. Where do the little girls meet? Where did the little girls meet?
Ma'am, in the
Narrow.
Anthony Joel, please answer in full sentence. Where did the little girls meet? If you have any doubt, do you have any doubt? Where did they meet? They met.
met between the puddle.
Is it between the puddle? In between a
Between a
lane. Lane.
narrow
Between
way.
their homes. What did they meet? They met each other in between the lane. Right?
Between two homes.
Yeah, they met in a lane between two homes. How does the place look? How does the place look? It was.
Snow was melted.
Yeah, it was fully covered with snow,
No.
and the snow was melting, and the water was flowing down the stream, and the dirty water from the farm was running down the lane. Right? Okay. What happened when the men came out of their homes? What happened when the men came out of their homes?
Mothers were fighting.
They also
It became a big quarrel.
Yeah, that became a big quarrel. They started
to hit
fighting.
each other. The fight
Yeah. They started nearly hitting each other. What did Akulya's grandmother say to try and calm the crowd when she saw the girls playing together? Again, I want only one to answer because it is a big question. Okay, Anushri is going to answer. Come on, tell me, Anushri, what is that?
Are you not ashamed of yourself for fighting like?
Okay, are you not ashamed of yourself? Is it so? Before she said something. What is that? What is that? She said something. Are you not? What are you thinking of? Friends, is it right to behave like this on a day like this? Too, right? Is it that answer or what Anushri said? Which is right? Come on. Come on, think. What did I say now? I gave you two situations. Which is right? Look at the question. Wait. Let me read the question. You should be able to sort out. You should be able to think. What did Akulya's grandmother say to try and calm the crowd when she saw the girls playing together? Again, it is again when they started playing together. So here in this case, what Anushri said is the right answer. So like this, you should be able to think and answer, right? So what did grandmother say? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Look at these girls. You are fighting for these girls, but look at them. They are enjoying and they have become friends. How did the adults feel once they stopped fighting? Siana is going to answer me. Siana, my dear, unmute yourself. Siana? Siana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, how did the adults feel when they stopped?
Can you hear
fighting?
me, ma'am?
Yeah, I can hear you, Siana. How did the adults feel when they stopped fighting?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Siana, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
No, ma'am, I cannot hear you.
But I can hear you. Okay, Angel in Relics is ready with the answer. Come on, tell me, Angel in Relics. How did they feel?
Ma'am, they were ashamed.
They were ashamed of themselves. They laughed at themselves and they just went back to their home. So here I stop. I'm going to take attendance because I have to mark for 2 periods. In the afternoon, you have to get ready with the notes and homework. Homework, don't forget. In the afternoon, we have another period. There also you have to be present or else both the periods you will lose the attendance. Right?
Ma'am, and then